Alright, you guys, so we are going to get up into making these freaking labels. Y'all, I should be more organized than this for the Mentos as well as, God dang it, where's my Pop Rocks? Okay, as well as for the Pop Rocks. So, first thing you're going to do is you're going to need your templates, and you're going to want to, of course, cut them out. And I am doing these on the brochure paper. This is not regular paper. So it does have that glossy type look, so that it, kind of goes with this. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to cut these out as well as find my goddamn Pop Rocks. Okay, so I have both of my images cut out, and for this I am going to use my Xyron. This is the Creative Station lights. I am going to use this to create these labels so that they are sticky. I think I hear one of my kids up. Yep. Oh dear. Yes, honey. My bad, y'all. Kids, right? Alright, so I am running it through. I'm gonna go ahead and stick the one for the Pop Rocks through as well. Okay. I love it. Y'all definitely need to get one of these. Like, definite. Okay, so I got both of my templates. They are ready. I'm gonna go ahead, trim them down. Just rub around them. Alright, so I'm ready to go ahead and assemble this one. I'm going to go ahead and take the plastic off. Hopefully this works like I want it to. Plastic is off. It does not damage the image at all. This is very, very, very sticky. Very sticky. Y'all, I don't even know where I'm about to start with this. Okay. So I'm going to start with the part that don't have anything. This is where I'm going to stick it on first. I guess the bottom. And I'm pretty much just placing it over the existing you just got to make sure you line that bad boy up, because if not, when you try to roll it on there, that thing can be crooked. And then roll it. I'm not going to say what this rolling it looks like, but I'm just going to say roll it. Okay. And this thing is sticking on there very, very good. Oh my God, y'all, that looks so good. Look at that. Look at that. That looks awesome. It's stuck on there. It's not going anywhere. Oh my Jesus. Y'all, I love that. Okay. I'm excited. I'm excited, y'all. I like the new that Xyron thing. Y'all, if y'all don't have it, please go get that thing. Go get it. It's a must. Now I'm just gonna cut this down pretty much the size. I just cut it down a little bit because I do want to cut this in half, because this is this is just one long sheet that I have that I'm using. Okay, it's easy to cut. Shoot. All right. Like I said, I do want to cut this down. Not cut it down. I want to fold it like that in the middle. Just fold it that way. I know where to lay this and all of that. So now I'm looking for my edges, y'all. I don't know how to get my freaking the plastic off. Maybe I should have took the plastic off first. I don't know. Come on, plastic. Shoot. Hold on. Finally got the plastic. Finally got the plastic off. I advise you take the plastic off before you do any cutting at all. Okay, so this is my first time doing the Pop Rocks or even the Mentos. So we winging this together. What I'm going to pretty much do to try to make this easier is to just have one half and to just, I guess, line this up the best way I can, I guess. I don't know. But where there's spacing and edging, I guess, on both sides so that it can stick onto itself. You get what I'm saying? So you want to just go ahead and stick it down to the sticker like that, but you want to leave some edging and some space all around. That way when you go to flip this down on top of it, it pretty much sticks to itself. And because it's already creased, this part right here should be fairly easy. Yep. And there you have Niela's Unicorn Rocks. I think that is freaking adorable. It's cute. It was easy. It was simple. Y'all, I can't say this enough. Get y'all one of them goddamn Zyron, the lights, whatever. It's definitely worth it. Please get one.